Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my journal, which is sophisticated florals for the week of May 16th through the 22nd. I am going to be using the Live Love Plush Hello Spring book. Her book is absolutely lovely and I can't get enough of it, so I'm going to be mixing it up a little bit with different themes because she has multiple themes in each book. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. I did flip throughs of those on my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you really like it here, and if you are coming back and joining me again, thank you so much. I appreciate you spending time with me. So as you can see, I'm doing a little scenery where you have this beautiful flower cart and a flower stand, and I'm adding a girl to it, and I'm gonna add some rain boots and so on. I think now a spring is in full bloom, and I love a spring because it's just so bright and green and beautiful. So I figured I will continue using these stickers for the time being. And then I'm also using the blue functional florals from Live Love Plush as well. I haven't used her blue book yet, but it's time to start, right? So I wanted something bright and very spring-like, and this spoke to me, so that's what I'm adding. If you guys have those books that I'm using, have you used them, and what's your favorite collection out of there? And it looks like I did a little crease, so I'm gonna get it out. Beautiful. Yeah, I love the hints of blue in that sticker, so I'm gonna go ahead and add another to make sure that they can match. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more, like so. And I do keep kind of like this catch-all bin on my desk, and then when I'm done planning, I put everything away. But while I'm planning, I kind of throw everything into that bin, and I know that that's where the items are from. If you follow me on Instagram and saw my desk video, that's pretty much how my desk is at all times. I don't like to have too many things on it or clutter, so I keep it pretty clean. So if you need a system that might work for you too, just keep a little clear bin and just throw all of your pens, markers, and whatever you use into the bin, and then when you're done, you put everything back. The only problem is the stickers. I am very thankful that I have an L-shaped desk, so my stickers that I use sit on that L part of the desk, the little L leg. Okay, let's go ahead and add another girl, because why not? Look how pretty. Oh yes, yes please. I'm gonna add this basket to this side to kind of even it out. And then of course add some butterflies, because how can you not add butterflies to a spread? These are so beautiful. I kind of like the muted tones of these, so it is quite different. I'm gonna add another flower right into there, so it's like a full stand. I love creating little scenes that looks like something's going on in there. I really like it. Okay, what else can I add? I need another one of those blue flowers, maybe on the bottom. This way I'm gonna have like the pops of color all over, so let's see if I can add that. on what it's going to look like. There we go. I think that's lovely. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add something to Thursday, Friday area. I think that needs another pop of like the light pastel color as well. Like I said, that stand is kind of darker tones, so I want to keep it bright and fresh. Okay, not too much left because yeah, I need room to write, right? I wish I could just sticker up the whole pages and not really worry about the function, but I'm a pretty avid journaler, so I do journal every single morning, and I need my space. I need to be able to write what's going on in my life, because that helps me be mentally more stable and just balanced. So I'm gonna add a tiny little rose up there, maybe one more, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the spread as is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I am hoping you will do so, and I will see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for tuning in and staying till the end, and I hope you have a great week. See you soon. Bye.